Everyone, welcome back to Digital Dose Digest. I'm your host, and today we've got something special for all you gaming enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of next-gen gaming with the PlayStation 5 Digital Edition. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for all things gaming. Now, let's jump right in. First things first, let's talk about the design. The PS5 Digital Edition carries that iconic, futuristic look we've come to expect from Sony. The two-tone color scheme, sleek lines, and that glowing PlayStation logo make it a centerpiece in any gaming setup. It's bold, it's beautiful, and it's unmistakably next-gen. Under the hood, the PS5 Digital Edition is a beast. It shares the same power as its disc-based sibling, featuring a lightning-fast SSD, a powerful GPU, and a robust CPU. What does this mean for you? Games load faster than ever, and the visuals, they're mind-blowing. Smooth frame rates, stunning graphics. Sony has really set a new standard here. Now let's talk about the main event, the shift to an all-digital experience. With no disk drive, your gaming world is entirely digital. The PlayStation Store becomes your one-stop shop for games, and with an extensive library and exclusive releases, the transition is seamless. Convenience is the name of the game here. Moving on to the user interface. It's clean, it's intuitive, and it's user-friendly. Navigating through your games, media apps, and system settings is a breeze. And let's not forget the DualSense controller. The adaptive triggers and haptic feedback elevate the gaming experience to a whole new level. It's not just playing games, it's feeling them. So, here's the verdict. The PS5 Digital Edition is a powerhouse, a visual marvel, and a digital dream. If you're ready to embrace the future of gaming without the need for physical discs, this console is a no-brainer. The gaming experience is top-notch, and the design? Well, that speaks for itself. Until next time, happy gaming!